Let me start my video over. Gotta start my video over. Anyway, um, out here, out here. I'm outside getting my walk in. Getting my walk in. They got a little salt on the sidewalk there. Saturday afternoon. What time is it? About 1 o'clock. Tried to let the little cold air warm up a little bit. But I'm out here getting my walk in. Nothing spectacular going on. I was off last night. Stayed in the house, chill. Woke up to snow. I didn't know it was going to snow last night or this morning or whenever it snowed. But woke up, saw snow on the cars. And okay. You know, it's supposed to be chilly, but that's fine. Anyway, life is lifing. It is what it is. You live and you learn. You move on. You do miss a lot of things in life. You miss a lot of things in life, but what are you gonna do? Can't force nothing. Can't make stuff happen without other people involved. And if other people don't want to be involved, yeah, you just do what you gotta do. Life doesn't stop. Life keeps lifing. Oh, shout out to me. I got a new phone. Speaking of that, this is my first video with my new phone. I'm not used to it right now, so I haven't tweaked it to the way I want to tweak it to make it do all that it's supposed to do. But I got a new phone, Galaxy 25 Ultra. Shit big as hell. Had problems transferring my pictures and videos and stuff, but normally I develop my pictures and videos and stuff, so it's no big deal. Check me out on YouTube at Junkin' Things or Talking Junkin' Things. I'm not sure how it's labeled. Talking Junkin' Things on YouTube is my YouTube channel. That's where this video is gonna be, and that's where this video you will see it at. Anyway, life is lifing, baby. Life is lifing. Man, I learned some lessons in the last 30 days, and it is what it is. It is what it is. We wish people the best. As long as you stand on your principles, stand strong, don't hurt nobody, don't cause no problems. Sometimes it's tough to get emotionally out of it, but what are you gonna do? You can't sit here and stress and worry and drive yourself crazy over the actions of other people. You gotta keep going. You have to keep going. Anyway, I'm going to end this video. Up crossing the street right now. I'm real busy out here. But get across here. Woo, running across the street. But yeah, life is lifing. Life is lifing. Damn, my lips greasy. Anyway, I don't got much to talk about. Just wanted to let y'all know I got a new phone. I bet it looks beautiful. I bet it looks beautiful. Tell me how beautiful it looks. Cost me enough, but I got it anyway. It was just that time to upgrade, and the upgrade was so hard. Had a S10, Galaxy S10. And shit, to transfer the files from that to this, and just the connection as I had to go into T-Mobile and deal with the people, and that took 3 hours. It was a mess, but my time was occupied. I was busy trying to get back focused on what really matters and what I have control of. Um, may have some news for you guys soon. Who knows? I doubt it, but I'm just putting it out there anyway. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. We got a notice sign of cameras. Okay. But anyway, you guys have a good day. You guys be safe out there. Save money. Don't be reckless with your life. Don't be reckless with your money. Don't be reckless with your body. Stop giving up the pussy so easy. Stop hopping in and out of cars. Man, I'd be like, damn, people acting like prostitutes. Is somebody out here prostituting? People are out here prostituting. Car hopping. You getting money? What you getting? Weed? What you popping pills? Shit. Man, the desperation. I don't know what it is, but sometimes it's best, sometimes people help you get out of stuff and make you see things clearer. I don't know what to say. Blessing in disguise, that's what it is. A blessing in disguise. And as I said before, sometimes you see the writing on the wall, but you're so blind and you're just trying to make it work. And, oh, man. Oh, boy. Look at that background there. That's where I'm at. Well, yeah, to each his own. What are you going to do? When you reach a certain age, things start. And people start behaving differently, and you can't do nothing about it. But anyway, wish everybody the best. This is the Christmas season, even though some people don't celebrate holidays, but they tend to, get well dressed for them. But I don't know. It's tough. Shout out to the little kids that are part of, not the problem, part of their parents' problem, and feel sorry for the kids, but hey, what are you gonna do? You can't save the world. You can't save the children. Anyway, let me get off this thing. Hope you guys enjoyed my view. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share, leave a comment. Oh, once again, make sure you come to the park over here that is lit up at night. Nice and bright. Trees and other ornaments in the park. I don't know if you can walk through the park, but it's nice out here at night. Surprised they ain't take the ornaments off the trees and the poles and stuff. But anyway, I will holla at you later.